What do you do in this situation? You're hunkered down with your family. They're safe, but the power's out. Maybe there's a tornado warning outside. Could be a winter storm. Your kids have eaten all the fruit snacks and granola bars, and they want something warm. Hang on, let me light my lantern. Just kidding, it's battery powered, because I'm prepared. What do you do if they want something warm, you want to heat up a meal, and the power's out? Let's look at a couple options. I've got a folding Sterno stove that uses chafing dish fuel. I also have a gas one butane stove. I'm going to use this pot, 2 cups of water, and we'll test them each. We'll get them to 161 degrees. That's the pasteurization temperature for water. We could try going for boiling, but you don't need to heat up your can of stew to boiling temperature. Let's run an experiment, each with 2 cups of water to 161 degrees. Let's see how long it takes. We've got a pretty clear winner. I'm not sure it was fair to compare these two, but the butane stove definitely did more in a shorter amount of time. That'll meet my family's needs perfectly. Doesn't mean that this thing doesn't have a place. I'll fold it up and put it with a couple cans of fuel in my car emergency kit. I also recommend having foods on hand for immediate use. When an emergency happens, you don't want to have to worry about the stove, about anything extra. You might just need something to eat right then, or your kids might need something. Get some foods that you're comfortable with and that you like. Could be fruit snacks, granola bars, applesauce, even canned fruit. The Pop Tops are always simpler, but if you don't have one, then get a can opener as well. Things like beef jerky, trail mix, energy bars, those are all big hits. What they do is allow you to eat something and focus on keeping your family safe. Then when you're settled down, you've taken care of your basic needs, you can pull out the stove and make a warm meal.
Thanks for watching. If you know someone that could use this video, please share it with them. Thanks for subscribing, and remember, preparedness is for every day, not doomsday.